Earn dollar in Nigeria. Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be talking about a website to earn dollar in Nigeria and best freelance website to earn money for those that want to freelance in Nigeria. So the website is about Roladel.com. Let's type the name on Google and let's go to the official website. That can look good as you can see. Actually, from the first impression, you know that this website is similar to Fiverr, to Skillshare, and to Upwork. So all of this kind of website that you can hire people for digital services like marketing, web design, web development, and others. And Roladel isn't just service. You have access to earn by watching YouTube video like this one you're watching now, and I will show you how at the end of this video. Keep watching. So once you go to Roladel.com, this is a popular freelancing website in Nigeria. So there are a lot of categories on this website. You can go with design. I can also use this website for some development, for some writing and translation, some things about SEO and web traffic, digital marketing and social media marketing, audio and video, and business and lifestyle. I think from now in the next month, this website will keep going viral and we're going to see a lot of people talking about this website on YouTube and on social media because this is a great alternative, I think, for Upwork or for Fiverr. If you're a seller, you know you're going to be left behind, or you will need a lot of time or wait a lot of time, a lot of hard work to start getting some orders because of the high competition right there. So register your account immediately after watching this video. And if you're a buyer, this website provides some services for low price, which is good. Now let's go to the affiliate program section. Let's see what we have right here. So boost your earning by inviting new users to Roladel. So you can boost your earning by referring people to this website because, as I said, this is your website. This is not a common one. So they need some marketing. So they are ready to spend some money and to pay some people to refer some new visitors or some new users to this website. So start on it today. Let's see. Get an affiliate link so you can get this affiliate link by turning to this website and to your email and password to create an account and go to the dashboard part of the session, and just up there you can get your affiliate link. So generate an affiliate link to send to your friends, share on social media or post on your personal site or blog to promote, work and chat. Our target audience are by sharing your affiliate link and with that provide free promo materials and reap rewards. You will earn up to 10% per service transaction. 10% per service transaction, and learn more about the favored program and the rules on the whole thing. So the advantage of being a Roladel affiliate and limited earning potential, a global user base, more sources, more traffic, free promotional material should provide you with free promotional materials like videos or images, banners. I think this make it easy to earn. Check out for a free promotional material here by going to this page. So they have some banners right here, as you can see. Or isn't it a banner? It is some bonus. Full vertical bonus for your sidebar. This is a good alternative. If you're a seller or a buyer, you need to check this website. This is not an affiliate, and I'm not an affiliate. I'm not doing any promotion. This is not a promotional or an advertorial. This is just my suggestion. If you want to check out this website, check it out. That's it, and it's up to you. Thanks for watching my video again, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to Roladel Business so you will not miss any upcoming videos. Thank you so much and bye for now.